This is a very short Twilight Zone story. It's called The Jigsaw Man. Ernest Whistle loves jigsaw puzzles. He always has done ever since he was a child. He's an old man now, in his late 70s. And every evening after supper, he would spend 2 or 3 hours trying to solve his latest puzzle. It was nearly midnight, and Ernest was nearing completion of his largest jigsaw yet. 5,000 pieces. Only 2 more pieces to go, the old man chuckled to himself. The puzzle he was working on was a typical London scene of the West End. A big red double-decker bus driving around Trafalgar Square. He slotted the face of Admiral Nelson into place. Nearly done, sighed Ernest. He gazed at the puzzle and scratched his head. He looked at his table. He looked under the table. He stood up and gazed down at his chair. Damned it, he breathed a heavy sigh. I've lost the final piece. Suddenly the bus in the picture disappeared. One by one, the lion statues in Trafalgar Square vanished. Nelson's column vanished too. That's weird, thought the old man, staring at the disappearing jigsaw puzzle. Ernest scratched his head, and his left hand vanished. He gazed down at the wobbly square hole in his chest. Oh dear, he frowned. His head disappeared. Sally Thompson put the pieces of her jigsaw puzzle back into the box. Time for bed, dear, shouted her mother. The end. But it makes you wonder, doesn't it? Are we the masters of our fates? Are just pieces of a larger cosmic jigsaw puzzle called the human race.